Welcome to NEET Library. Let's practice important NCERT questions for NEET. Class 12th, Chapter 2 Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. It nourishes the developing pollen grain. Which among the following identifies the statement? Option A, the epidermis. Option B, the endothecium. Option C, the middle layers. And option D, the tapetum. Some important points to remember. Tapetum is the innermost wall layer of sporangium. Cells of tapetum possesses dense cytoplasm with more than one nucleus. These perform the function of protection and help in dehiscence of anther to release the pollen. Identify the correct pair by the statement. Option A, epidermis and middle layer. Option B, epidermis, tapetum and middle layer. Option C, endothecium, tapetum and epidermis. And option D, endothecium, epidermis and middle layer. Some important points to remember. The microsporangium surrounds by four wall layers. 1. Epidermis, 2nd. Endothecium, 3rd. Middle layer and 4th. Tapetum. The outer layer of pollen grain is made up of most important resistant organic material called option A sporulin, option B sporopollenin, option C cellulose and option D pectin. Over dash % of angiosperms pollen grain are shed at two cell stages. Option A 50%, option B 70%, option C 60% and option D 65%. Parthenium causes pollen allergy. It is commonly called dash and came to India as a contaminant with dash. Option A carrot grass and wheat. Option B carrot grass and rice. Option C carrot grass and barley. And option D carrot plant and mango. Choose the correct family in which the pollen grains maintain viability for months. Option A Rosaceae, Liliaceae and Solanaceae. Option B Rosaceae, Leguminosae and Solanaceae. Option C Liliaceae, Fabaceae and Solanaceae. And option D Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Some important points to remember. In some cereals like rice and wheat, pollen grain lose viability within 30 minutes of release. The ovule is a small structure attached to the placenta by means of a stalk called option A hilum, option B funicle, option C integument and option D micropyle. What will be the ploidy of cells of new cell is megaspore mother cell, functional megaspore and female gametophyte. Option A diploid, diploid, haploid and haploid. Option B haploid, diploid, haploid and diploid. Option C haploid, diploid, diploid and diploid. And option D diploid, diploid, diploid and haploid. A typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity is dash nucleated and dash celled. Option A 7 nucleated and 8 celled. Option B, 8 nucleated and 7 celled. Option C, 7 nucleated and 7 celled. And option D, 8 nucleated and 8 celled. Dash plays important role in guiding the pollen tubes in the synergid. Option A, antipodal cells. Option B, filiform apparatus. Option C, polar nuclei. And option D, style. Thanks for watching this video. I hope these questions will help you in your exam. Let's meet with some more important questions of this chapter in our next video.